Welcome to Let's Talk Today, your daily dose of English and inspiration.
Quick question. Have you ever spent 10 minutes typing a WhatsApp message to your boss, then deleted it, rewrote it, and still weren't sure if it sounded right?
Or you want to send a casual message to a new friend, but you don't know if hey is too informal or hello is too stiff?
Today, we're solving that problem. We're teaching you exactly how to write WhatsApp and DM messages in English, whether you need to sound professional, friendly, or somewhere in between.
Welcome to Let's Talk Today. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo. Let's dive in.
Here's the thing. Written English is different from spoken English, and WhatsApp English, that's a whole different language.
Exactly. You need to know when to use emojis, when to keep it short, when to be formal, and when to be casual. And most English learners never get taught this.
So today, we're giving you templates, real messages you can copy, adapt, and use right away.
By the end of this episode, you'll know how to message your boss, your clients, your friends, and even people you're crushing on, all in natural, confident English.
Let's get into it. Okay, confession time. A few years ago, I was working with an international client. We were chatting on WhatsApp about a project deadline.
Sounds normal so far.
It was until I sent a message that said, "Hey, no worries, we'll get it done. Smiley face, sparkles, party hat."
Oh no, too many emojis?
Way too many. My client responded with, "Thank you for the update. Very formal, very cold." I realized I sounded unprofessional.
That's a tough lesson.
It was, but it taught me something important. Tone matters in text, and you need to match the other person's energy.
And that's exactly what we're going to teach you today. First, let's talk about the 3 levels of formality in WhatsApp and DM messages.
Level 1, professional. This is for your boss, clients, professors, or anyone you want to impress.
Level 2, friendly professional. This is for colleagues, business contacts you know well, or networking connections.
And level 3, casual. This is for friends, family, and people you're comfortable with.
The key is to match your tone to the situation. Let's break down each level.
Professional messages have 3 rules. Be clear, be polite, and keep it short.
Here are 5 professional message templates you can use right now.
Hi name, I hope you're doing well. I wanted to follow up on topic. Could you please share information when you have a moment? Thank you.
Notice the structure. Greeting, context, clear request, thank you. That's professional. Hi name, just confirming our meeting tomorrow at time. Looking forward to it. Let me know if anything changes. Thanks.
Short, polite, and to the point. Perfect for work. Hi name, I'm working on project, but I need a bit more time to ensure quality. Would it be possible to extend the deadline to new date? I appreciate your understanding.
Notice the word quality. That shows you care. And I appreciate your understanding is polite and professional. Hi name, thank you so much for your help with task. I really appreciate your time and support. Let me know if I can ever return the favor.
This builds goodwill. Always thank people who help you. Hi name, I apologize for mistake. I take full responsibility and I'm working to fix it right away. Thank you for your patience.
Own the mistake, offer a solution, and move forward. That's how professionals handle errors. Friendly professional is the sweet spot. You're polite, but you're also warm. You can use casual language, but keep it respectful.
Here are 5 friendly professional templates you can use. Hey name, it was great meeting you at event. I'd love to stay in touch and hear more about your work. Let me know if you'd like to grab coffee sometime.
This is warm, but still professional. You're showing genuine interest. Hi name, just wanted to follow up on my last message about topic. No rush, let me know when you have a chance to take a look. Thanks.
The phrase no rush is key. It shows you respect their time.
Hey name, I'm working on project and I'd love to get your thoughts. Do you have a few minutes to chat this week? Your advice would be super helpful.
Super helpful is casual but still professional. It shows appreciation. Hey name, just wanted to share. Good news. Thanks for all your support along the way. Really appreciate it.
Sharing wins builds relationships. People love to celebrate with you. Hey, name, thank you so much for thinking of me for opportunity. Unfortunately, I can't commit right now, but I really appreciate the offer. Let's stay in touch.
You're saying no, but you're keeping the door open. That's smart.
Now for the fun stuff, casual messages. This is where you can use slang, emojis, and short sentences.
Here are 5 casual message templates. Hey, want to grab lunch this weekend? Let me know what works for you.
Wanna is short for want to, super casual, perfect for friends. Hey, have you been? Feel like we haven't talked in forever. What's new?
Emojis are your friend in casual messages. They add illusion and energy.
Hey, so sorry, running a bit late. Should be there in 10 minutes.
Short, honest, and includes an emoji to soften the message. Perfect. Thanks so much for today. Had the best time. Let's do it again soon.
This is warm, grateful, and leaves the door open for next time.
Okay, my turn for an embarrassing story. Last year, I was messaging a colleague I didn't know very well. We were talking about a project deadline.
Sounds innocent.
It was until I sent sounds good, thumbs up, kissing face. I meant to send a thumbs up emoji, but I accidentally added the kissing face.
Oh no, what did they say?
They just replied with thanks, nothing else. It was so awkward. I learned my lesson. Double check your emojis before you hit send.
That's a great reminder. Emojis can completely change your message. All right, here's the system we use. M.E.S.S.A.G.E. This is your formula for writing perfect WhatsApp and DM messages.
M.E.S.S.A.G.E stands for match the tone, emojis, use wisely, short sentences, specific request, appreciate them, grammar check, end with action.
Let's break it down.
Step 1. Match the tone. Read their last message. Are they formal or casual? Use the same energy.
If they say, "Good morning, I hope you're well," don't reply with, "Hey, what's up?" Match their vibe.
Step 2. Emojis. They're great, but use them carefully.
Professional messages, 0 to 1 emoji. Friendly professional, 1 to 2. Casual, as many as you want.
Step 3. Short sentences. Nobody wants to read a paragraph on WhatsApp.
Keep it under 3 sentences. If you need to explain more, break it into separate messages. Step 4. Specific request. If you need something, say exactly what it is.
Don't say, let me know. Say, can you send me the file by 3 p.m. today? Clear and direct.
Step 5. Appreciate them. Always say thank you. Thanks or I appreciate it goes a long way. People remember kindness.
Step 6. Grammar check. You don't need to be perfect, but avoid big mistakes.
Casual typos are okay with friends, but with clients or bosses, double check.
And step 7. End with action. Tell them what happens next.
Let me know, or talk soon, or see you tomorrow. This closes the conversation clearly. Quiz time! We'll show you a message. You decide professional, friendly professional, or casual.
Message 1. Hey, want to meet up later?
That's casual.
Message 2. Hi, Sarah. Just following up on our meeting. Let me know if you need anything. Thanks.
That's friendly professional.
Message 3. Good morning. I hope this message finds you well. I am writing to inquire about the project status.
That's professional.
Great job. You're getting the hang of it.
Let's do a role play. Leo, imagine you're my boss and I need to ask you for time off.
Got it. Send me a message.
Hi, Leo. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to request time off from June 5th to June 10th for a family event. Please let me know if this works. Thank you.
Perfect. That's polite, clear, and respectful. Approved.
Thank you so much.
Wait, was that emoji too casual for your boss?
You know what? Maybe. Let me rephrase. Thank you so much. No emoji. Better?
Much better.
Mistake number 1 being too formal with friends.
Don't text your friend, good afternoon. I hope you are well. Just say, hey, how are you?
Mistake number 2 being too casual with your boss.
Don't send, yo boss. Keep it professional. Hi name, hope you're doing well.
And mistake number 3, writing paragraphs.
Break it up. One idea per message. Make it easy to read.
Time for practice. We'll show you a bad message. You fix it in your head. Ready?
Bad message. Hey, can you send file? Thanks.
Better message. Hey name, could you please send me the file when you get a chance? Thanks.
See the difference? Capital letters, full words, polite tone.
Here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, practice writing one message per day using the M.E.S.S.A.G.E system.
Day 1. Send a professional message to a colleague or boss.
Day 2, send a friendly, professional message to a new contact.
Day 3. Send a casual message to a friend.
Day 4, ask someone for help using a polite message.
Day 5. Thank someone for their support.
Day 6, decline an invitation politely.
And Day 7. Share good news with someone.
By the end of the week, you'll feel so much more confident.
Repeat after me.
I hope you're doing well.
I hope you're doing well.
Just following up on this.
Just following up on this.
Could you please send me the details?
Could you please send me the details?
Thank you so much for your help.
Thank you so much for your help.
Let me know if you need anything.
Let me know if you need anything.
I appreciate your time.
I appreciate your time.
Sorry for the delay.
Sorry for the delay.
Looking forward to hearing from you.
Looking forward to hearing from you.
Let's stay in touch.
Can we reschedule?
Thanks for understanding.
I'll get back to you soon.
Hope you have a great day.
Talk soon.
Take care.
Time for word tour. 10 words related to messaging.
Word 1. Tone, meaning the feeling or attitude in your message.
Word 2. Formal, meaning polite and professional.
Word 3. Casual, meaning relaxed and informal.
Word 4. Follow up, meaning to check on something again.
Word 5. Appreciate, meaning to be grateful for something.
Word 6. Request, meaning to ask for something politely.
Word 7. Decline, meaning to say no politely.
Word 8. Confirm, meaning to verify or make sure.
Word 9. Context, meaning the background information.
Word 10. Emoji, meaning a small digital image used to express emotion.
And that's it. You now have the M.E.S.S.A.G.E system and templates for professional, friendly, and casual messages.
Remember, match the tone, use emojis wisely, keep it short, be specific, appreciate people, check your grammar, and end with action.
Your homework: complete the 7-day challenge, one message per day. Practice makes perfect.
If you found this helpful, share it with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks for listening. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo. See you next time.
Let's talk today.